Social media location analytics, sources of location data, categories of location analytics and privacy concern, and the tools which can be used for location analytics. Location analytics, also known as spatial analytics or geoanalytics, involves mapping, visualizing, and mining the location of people, data, and other resources. So it involves mapping, visualizing, and mining the location of people, data, and other resources. GPS enabled mobile devices make it possible to provide location based services, products, and information. Now, so according to your location based on GPS enabled mobile devices, you can be provided with location based services. Location analytics can be used in various sectors and can be instrumental in understanding cities and human behavior in space and time. What people are thinking in different space and time. So human behavior in different geographical regions and in different cities. An example of location analytics is the use of geolocated Twitter data to study the New York City, the heartbeat data set of the city, and map its dynamics. Using the data set, scientists were able to study and map the walking, sleeping, commuting, work, and leisure dynamics of people living in the city during the weekday and weekends. Such geoanalytics can be instrumental in better understanding our cities and the human behavior in space and time. Sources of location data: postal address, latitude, longitude, GPS based, and IP address. Categories of location analytics. Based on its scope, location analytics can be broadly classified into two categories: business data driven location analytics and social media data driven location analytics. Business driven location analytics. Business data driven location analytics involves mapping, visualizing, and mining location data to reveal patterns and trends in the business data. So it involves mapping, visualizing, and mining the location data to reveal patterns and trends in what? In the business data. By capitalizing on data stored in business database, location analytics can provide location specific information, products, and services on where customers are. So it can provide location based services to the customers. So suppose there is a customer who needs to buy something from a store. So location based analytics will say about the nearby stores, will tell the customer the nearby stores from where a particular product can be brought. So example of how this can be used include recommending the nearest convenience store or taxi, or making decision about the best possible potential location for a business warehouse. So why it will be helpful for the business? Because the business will be able to tell its nearest possible store. Suppose there is DMart, then DMart, if you are there in, let's say, a place Delhi, then based on your location it will tell you the nearest possible DMart store present. So it will be profitable to the business as well as it will be good for you. Applications of business driven location analytics. Powerful intelligent simple maps can be limited in providing insightful details. Sophisticated mapping techniques can be used like clustering, heat mapping, data aggregation. Color coded mapping can provide more detailed and insightful business intelligence. So this is an example of a more insightful data, more insightful map. Normal simple map will not provide as many details. Geo enrichment. Simple data maps can be enhanced with customer information such as demographics, spending habits, lifestyle, and location. This can help to answer questions such as where a company's loyal customers spend most of their time. So simple data maps can be enhanced by all these things so that the company will be able to know Where are its customers spending most of the time, and how can it improve its services to the customers. Collaboration and sharing. Maps are easy to understand and are useful for communication and collaboration within an organization. Location analytics can be used to map business data for collaboration and information sharing with customers. So Google Fusion Tables allows for creation of maps, tables and charts. Next is social media data driven location analytics. Can be used for recommendation purpose, can be used for customer segmentation. Tweeps map can be used to geolocate your Twitter followers by state or city. So it will help the business because it will allow the business to segregate the customers based on their state or city. Advertisement. Location based advertisement allows targeted marketing and promotion campaign mostly delivered through mobile devices to reach specific target audience. So for example, if there is cold in some particular state, then over there the advertisement of winter wear will be done, whereas in a state where there is raining heavily, there the advertisements of umbrella and stuff will be done. So it will be done region wise. So location based advertisements can be carried out based on the weather conditions. Information request. Based on their current location, customers can request a product, service or resource. Example, the nearest coffee shop, restaurant or parking lot. So nearest convenience store, say I want to buy bread. Then I need to find the nearest store where I am there. From there, whichever is the nearest store where I will get this bread. So based on my current location, I can request for information as to where can I find my grocery or my bread. Alerts. Location data can be used to send and receive alerts and notifications such as sales and promotion alert, traffic congestion alert, speed limit warning and storm warning. So according to your location, you get weather information, that is storm warnings if there are heavy storms. Traffic, is there traffic in your area or in your route? So this is all based on the location. Based on location, there are alerts which will be sent. Research and rescue. Location data is vital in search and rescue operations. Example, disaster management. Navigation. Mobile and GPS based navigation services and apps can help find addresses. An example of this is the Be On Road app for Android devices, which offers offline turn by turn GPS navigation. Location analytics and privacy concern. Location based services can bring convenience and value to the business, but they can also raise privacy concerns. These concerns include the need for transparency about location tracking, user control over the storage of location information, and options for preserving anonymity. So no one wants to be screened 24/7. So location concerns, you don't have to, because we keep the location on every time, we don't want that someone should go on and tracking us. So it should allow for anonymity. That means you're not revealing yourself, you're not revealing who you are, but you are anonymous. Only your location is visible, but who you are as an identity, your identity is not revealed. So options for preserving your identity is important. There are also questions about legal protections for historical location data against unreasonable searches and appropriate level of disclosure control. So legal historical location data means past history about where have you traveled. That data is also something which should be protected. There is a need for appropriate governmental regulations to protect citizen privacy rights in the era of location aware mobile devices. So when you're keeping your location on your mobile devices, your identity should be anonymous. Your past history should not be, his location history should not be tracked. If it is tracked, it can be dangerous. Next is location analytics tool. Google Google Fusion Tables is a web service for geotagging, storing, sharing, querying, and visualizing tabular business data on the Google Maps app. Agos is a platform for geotagging and reporting that helps communities address climate change and disaster risk reduction. Tweeps Map maps Twitter followers by location. Trends Map is a real time tool that maps the latest trends from Twitter. Follower Wonk is a tool for performing basic Twitter analytics such as analyzing followers, location, and tweeting patterns. ISRI's GIS software is used for mapping, visualizing, questioning, analyzing, and interpreting data to understand relationship patterns and trends. So here we complete location analytics.